From Sephora Info Solution. Today we'll be discussing about the interactive LED, which comes in different sizes: 55, 65, 75, 86, 98, 105. So here we have displayed 86-inch panel. The shortcut options comes here: the back, home, recent files, the source connectivities which we connect the external devices, and here comes the annotation tool. Then the additional tools which comes in, like to go to the settings and the Wi-Fi, other things, and volume adjustments, back and light adjustments, and voice sound controls. So here I'll be taking the annotation tool. Before that, I'll be touching here. You can see a ball running here. So that in this ball running, while we have a shortcut to home, writing boards, recent files, and the back button. While we are doing a functionality in the board, example, we are running a functionality, immediately if you want to go back or any of the functions, you can directly take this option and you can go switch the functionality you want. Example, you are doing a presentation, you want to switch to a YouTube which you already opened. You can do this functionality, go to the recent files, and you can tap to the next. So I can suddenly move the writing board. So this type of options you can get it from here. So what we are trying to say here, that this option, then I am going to take here the annotation tool. I have already writing board I have opened. I am going to open the writing board and I put the annotation tool on here so that I can do the on-screen annotation functionalities. So here you can see this this option here in the home screen. So it's very much connected with a mobile device. So we can see in mobile, you can see the file manager, applications, and casting functionality. Only the thing which you want to learn something in extra, that is a writing board functionality, which comes with a lot of functionalities in the teaching and learning process. So here you can see the casting functionality, writing board functionality, then file manager and applications. So, and additionally you can see the Wi-Fi connectivities and gestures, and also pen drive which is connected in the back end. So that this much things you can see here. And if depend on the teacher's angle, in the right side or the left side, they can handle from both sides. That is another convenience when we speak about an interactive LED. And it is tamper-proof, also is protected, so that in the rough atmosphere also it can be handled. And you can see from the side, the panel is Ultra HD 4K, and also the viewing angle is 178 degree. If it is, if you compare with the projector won't give this much the perception or projection here, because here you can see if a student sitting in the corner also will get a right view there. And you can see here in the annotation tool also, while I am doing an annotation example, the annotation tool can be used anywhere, like you are doing a browser, a PDF, a PowerPoint, anything would you do on that, you can run an on-screen annotation functionality. So while we go to a application side, the different applications which we install, you can scroll it here. This we can relate with your mobile itself. And the advantage is here, you will get a live Play Store here where you can install multiple applications what you require. Example, if you want to install any of the application which you suddenly require in a room, maybe for the communication you can use this, or any lab functionality. So this type of textbook applications are also been available. So different type of applications, if you want to search and get it installed in your device, this is the right option. And nowadays there are a lot of open source applications are available in the Play Store. Other than the APKs also there. So we can install APK applications also in that. Not only from the Play Store, you can externally also you can install directly. And you can see here, as you can compare with the file manager, you can see the file manager here. If you connect any device additionally, if it is a pen drive or a hard disk or any of the devices, you can connect it here. Here I have connected my pen drive, it has been listed here. So you can see here, it is here it is already mentioned, it is 128 GB. 128, because the configuration of the panel is Android 12 octa-core processor, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage. This is an internal memory itself. You can see it's not an extra, an additional flash drive. I have added a flash drive here. You can see this is an 28 GB pen drive. So this is an internal memory I already mentioned while we opened the file manager. If you connect any of the device additionally, example we connect 3 pen drive, it will be listed like this, 1 by 1. Okay, and if you go to the additional files which we have already downloaded or any of the documents, you can go to the downloads, or if you have things in the pen drive, you can open it from the files. Example, if I play a video, you can see the performance and you can control the sound from here. You can control the sound side. The sound capacity also we can control. Then the brightness also we can control the side. And here while we are playing a video, if you want to annotate, you can just pause it and run the annotation functionality over this. Like if you felt to discuss about some of the content which you want to talk. Example, Dan playing a video, if you are doing it in YouTube while a class is running, you can pause it and take up a discussion about this the concept. And after this discussion, you felt to save that one which you want to share with your students. You can take a screenshot of this. That also possible. Example, if you want to take a screenshot of this option, you can crop this, which you wanted. You can directly take the screenshot from here, and you can directly save or put to the writing board. These two functionalities you can take it directly from the site setting, which is available here. Here, background, email, and more functions. So, example, if you want to change the background of the panel, you can go to the background. You can select this background, then writing pattern, grids, and the different type of blocks you want. You can get it, the 4-line, 2-line, grid, and all those things. Then graph paper. All those things will be available here for you. So that if with this, if you are taking the Max tool, so that will be more convenient for the teachers if you do this all functionality. So the background changing, you can for the teachers' convenience, they can choose different colors. Example, they need a perfectly blackboard, they can choose a really blackboard itself. They can do that. That way, they can, as per the convenience, the blackboard different color palettes. Here you can choose. Create different pattern of backgrounds. You can create it, and you can set it different color codes. Then you can set it for you for the permanent use. That also is possible. Then in this you can save. Example, if you are doing classes, because normally in a school atmosphere, in one class it won't be completing a chapter. Normally 3 to 5 classes may be needed to finish a chapter. For that, sometimes the teacher may take the first sessions in a day, then second, third, and all. So that way the teachers can save the classes, like they can save in a pen drive, or in the main memory also. That is possible. They can save it, and there are 3 options here. PNG is there, PDF is there, KW is there. KW is the writing board software format, so that if you save that in the same format, you can recall it, and if you want to do some sort of editing and changes in writing, any of the things which are related to the chapter, if you want to change it, you can change it in the KW format. In the PDF format, it is fixed. Once it is set, it is fixed and sent to somebody. That will be more convenient. That is also possible. PNG is an image format. You can change the file name, here typing the different file name, and save to a pen drive or a internal memory. Also it is possible, because from there, if you can directly upload to the Google Drive, also possible, because you can directly install the Google Drive from the Play Store itself. You can do the Google Drive because it's licensed one. Drive, Google Drive, so that you can install the Google Drive also. I hope it's installed. You can install it. The installation you can install the Google Drive, so that you can upload the document which you have been already saved in this. You can upload it there, Simultaneously, you can download the document from the drive also, it is possible, so that you can use that functionality more. And in the writing board, here you can see that the background share. The sharing is the way which you want to share in a LAN or a WAN, so that if it is in the same network, you can use multiple functionality to get the document in any of the areas. Example, now it's the files has been in loading, so that I know once the scanning is done, then normally the barcode will be opened. Then you can scan that barcode